It's fast, it's deadly, it's silent. The black mamba is just not a snake, it's a legend of the wild. Let's uncover all facts about black mamba, quick fire, point by point. Starting with its name, it's not black outside, it's olive or brownish gray. The black part is its inside of its mouth, shown when threatened. Found across sub-Saharan Africa, savannas, woodlands and rocky outcrops and termite mounds. Can grow up to 14 feet long, one of the longest venomous snakes in the world. Can slither at 20 kmph, the fastest land snake alive, outruns most humans in short bursts. Its neurotoxic venom attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis and death without anti-venom. One bite, 100 to 120 mg venom, just 15 mg can kill a grown adult. Without treatment, death can occur within 15 to 30 minutes after a bite. Can strike up to 12 times in a single attack, often aiming for the face or chest. Before striking, it raises its head, spreads a narrow hood, opens its black mouth and hisses loudly. Not aggressive unless provoked, prefers escape over attack and attacks only when cornered. Eats birds, squirrels, rodents, killed with venom, then swallows prey whole using stretchy jaws. It's both ground dwelling and tree climbing, a versatile hunter. The reproductive season for the black mamba typically occurs in the early spring from September to February in southern Africa. Lay 10 to 25 eggs per clutch. Hatchlings are fully venomous from birth. Lives for 11 to 20 years in the wild and even longer in captivity with care. A lone ranger only meets others to mate, then goes its own way again. Unlike many snakes, the black mamba is active during the day and hunting in hot weather. Doesn't waste venom, aims perfectly, can even strike from over 1/3 of its body length. Feared as the kiss of death, often exaggerated but rooted in how fast and deadly it is. Unlike other snakes, it rarely gives the dry bites. If it bites, it almost always injects venom. Tracks prey using keen eyesight and Jacobson organ, tongue sense smell. Yes, but it must be given immediately after a bite. Delay equals to death. Too aggressive and dangerous for captivity, not recommended for any collection. Feared but misunderstood, black mamba avoids human unless trapped or attacked. Named as a symbol of fear, precision and death, even inspired Kobe Bryant the nickname Black Mamba. So now you know black mamba isn't just a snake, it's a speed, stealth and venom rolled into one deadly shadow. Like, share and comment if you learned something new and tell me which snake I should cover next. Sayonara.